Hey there guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I'll show you how to make this amazing PowerPoint Morph transition template in just 2 minutes. You can also download this template for free from the link in the description below. So let's start. First of all, open up a blank slide and insert a plate of a salad. We're gonna go to background and change the background fill to black. Close the form of background and insert a circle. We're gonna give it 100% soft edges and change this color to yellow. Increases transparency so a little bit of it can be seen. Change the fill color by using a eyedropper from the image. And we're gonna put it into center in the middle, increase the size of the circle and also the plate. Next, we're gonna duplicate the slide, go to pictures and insert a text box and from insert tab, and we're gonna give remove its fill and give it an outline, and then we're gonna give it a bold font, and then we're gonna send it to the back and duplicate it, and we're gonna put it downward as well, and then insert our subtitle, change it, and then send it to the back and put it into the middle of the slide. Select both the text boxes, go to selection pane to select them, and then we're gonna move them upwards or downwards according to our preference. Now decrease the plate's size, go and insert some of the floating vegetables to give background effect or the gradients to this like template. So we're just gonna add some things in it, and next we're gonna move them to the back, decrease their size if necessary. Next we're gonna send them to the back and copy all of them along with the text and paste them onto the first slide and then send them to the back. Next, we're gonna decrease their size along with the text. So let's decrease the text size and then move it out of the slide so that we can, while holding shift, you have to do everything. Decrease its size and while holding shift, move it in the back of the salad plate. We're gonna also move these vegetables while holding shift to the back of the slide. So we're going to go to selection pane for those pictures that cannot be selected. So we're going to rotate the salad plate on the second template, and we're going to give more transition to all of these templates. So this is the final result of what we made in this video. And if you like this video, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and also hit the bell icon.